Okay. Hey guys, what's up? It's Bianca. Welcome back to my channel. So, I'm going to Florida later and I ordered a lot of stuff for it. What better way to do a haul? This is a Shein haul. I've ordered from Zaful before. I don't think I've ever ordered from Shein before, but the quality of stuff, at least from what I've seen so far, is like Zaful, so
everything will be fine.
I already have packed all of my things, and the rest of the things that I want to pack are from Shein. So I decided before I put them in my suitcase and get on a flight, let's show you a haul. So other than the fact that I look like a grandma right now, I was going for this vibe and it turned out a little less vibey and a little more grandma, and my hair looks pretty... Let's not talk about it. Before we get started with this try on haul, if you guys like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram. And let's just show you guys some cheap, cute clothes. Okay, I figure let's start with the fun stuff, which is shoes. And alright, so as you could tell by my granny aesthetic, I've been looking for a cute pair of loafers recently, and I don't know, I wanted something a little different than black ones, because black ones, literally, you look like a grandma. Like, I'm sorry, no matter what, you look like a grandma if you wear the black loafers. Even if they're like the Gucci ones or whatever, you know, the ones with a little gold, they don't look good. So I made the executive decision to get snakeskin, and I guess we've all been bringing animal print back lately. Like, hi Snooki, love you. So we got these shoes. They're just loafers. They're size 8. I'm size 8 if anyone cared. They're like pointy snakeskin. They're pleathery. They're not really so textured. I feel like usually they would be more textured than this, but they are comfortable and they are flat. The only bit of concern for me is that they're a little bit narrow, but I don't have really a wide foot. But if you are someone with a wide foot and you order these, I would bear in mind, or maybe just get something else, because I feel like your foot will touch the ground, and if you're someone who skeeves everything like me, it's not it, sis. And by the way, they were also $14, which honestly I think is great. So next I ordered this shirt. I think this was like $5 or $6. It's just like a nice strapless green, buttons down. It's fake buttons, so take with that as you will. I'd actually prefer it to be fake buttons. So easy, throw it over your head. I ordered this because I bought a skirt at like Forever 21 for $1.50, and I thought that this was going to match the green skirt that I bought, and they're just a little bit different, but I feel like I could try to make them work, or I could just wear this with like jean shorts, jean skirt, or like cute little baggy pants. My accessories though is where I get funky, and that's what brings me to this. I actually really like the packaging that it comes in. I feel like they could probably do with less plastic, but I feel like everyone could do with less plastic, but I like that it keeps it neat and nice, but it is what it is. We're working on a better planet, and my room fell off. That was karma for saying that I like the plastic packaging. This little bag, actually, so you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. It's like pink. It says living, traveling, share from yours, nice to meet you. So cute. And I actually bought this and it didn't come in time for the festival that I went to 2 weeks ago now. So if you guys haven't seen that vlog, it's up here and linked in the description below. I went to a festival where actually we got evacuated because there was a tornado warning, and it was crazy and scary, and I vlogged the whole thing. But I bought this because I thought this would have been a really good, cute festival bag. It would have, like, I don't know why this is all... So I thought it would have been a cute little festival bag, but like, I figure honestly for Florida this is perfect. What do you need? Like some money, a card, and like probably a water bottle, because it's a million degrees. Since we're on the trail of accessories, let's show you some of those. Everything was so cheap, so the accessories were all like I think $1 or $2 each. I think literally the most expensive necklace was $2. Does it say it on here? This little gold one that's like kind of a choker, where I'm gonna use to just layer with a million other things that I have. As well as this other gold one that I'm going to use to layer with a million other things that I have. I'll take it. My problem with buying accessories from these places though is that they always get tangled or they break. But then again, if it's only $1, it's like you're going to get your money's worth, so it's okay. So these earrings are like gold hoops, but they have roses on them, so they're so sick. I think they're so beautiful and kind of subtle, but kind of like make a statement, so I love that. And then the earrings I'm also wearing right now are from Shein. I think they were also like $1 to $2, and they're black, and they remind me of like a pair of Free People earrings that I have, where you put half of the earring behind your ear and half the earring in front, and then stick it together, if that makes sense. And it makes this little floral pattern, so it makes you look like an earring's like literally coming out of your lobe. Does that make sense? You guys saw it, you understand. Now back to some clothes. Honestly, I love the packaging that this stuff comes in. I mean, is it necessary? Probably not, but I think that it keeps everything really neat and nice. But, oh, these are like nylon. Oh, alright, we could deal with that. These like, alright, whatever. I got plain black riding shorts, but they were like, I think $6, and Forever 21 is $7, so not too shabby. But these, I didn't realize, they're like the really stretchy, like, kinds of nylon material. What is this made out of? Let's see. Polyester. Oh, polyester and spandex. Okay. But it feels like nylon. You guys understand what I'm saying, I hope. I got them in a small, and I hope these don't make my butt itch. Oh my god, that's like kind of gross.
Girls, you probably understand.
Or boys, if you wear like briefs that are like this, certain ones, if it's a certain material like this, if you start sweating at any point, it's so itchy, and it's just like literally like your butt cheeks, like, or your thighs, like anything. It's just so itchy. Ew, I just got uncomfortable saying that out loud. Next, I couldn't get stuff from Shein without getting a bathing suit because their bathing suits are so cheap. They're $11 for 2-piece sets, and that's amazing. I think Forever 21 actually brought their prices down, probably because of competitors like Zaful and stuff, but they brought their prices down. It's like a mix and match 2 for $15, which isn't bad because a lot of stuff on Shein has $15 bathing suits as well. It was just, I think this one was $11 because I peeked at this one and I ordered a really cheeky one, and probably on accident. I don't know how anything's gonna get covered looking at this. I'm nervous for the try-on portion of this, but whatever. So here's the bottoms and here's the top. Again, I said this was like $11 for both of them together, which is amazing, and it actually is really pretty. On the back it has like gold accents and like gold little clips and stuff, and burgundy is one of my favorite colors, and I'm so into matching sets that match for bathing suits. I really don't like mix and matching. If I have to mix and match, I do, but I really like keeping it clean and consistent. I just think your body is more flattering in it. I just like the way that I look in them better, but it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, I just liked the fact that it was one of my favorite colors, and it was cheap enough that if it breaks or if it gets like a little corroded from the sand, because you know when you wear bathing suits in the sand, you can't go out and buy $200 bathing suits and then go in the ocean. Like, last but not least, this is like kind of a dress, kind of a skirt. You have to wear one of, it's like one of the, it's like one of those high-waisted skirts that like goes in between or under your boobs, so then you wear like a big crop top under it, or you wear a bralette with it or whatever. Kylie Jenner wore this and I think everyone kind of ripped it off, so obviously I bought it. It's black. It's like, again, kind of like that polyester material. I got it in a size small. I think this was maybe the most expensive thing. I think it was $7. It was the most expensive thing besides the shoes. I feel like you could just wear anything with that and it'll be really good. So I'm getting a little hungry, and obviously I gotta eat before I catch my flight, so stay tuned for that because I'm gonna have so many Florida vlogs and so many Florida videos and so many new things that I want to try, and I think I'm going to Disney. Without any further ado, if you guys like this video at any point, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and follow me over on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video when I will be in Florida. Bye!